Yo, what's up guys, Ryan again here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to quickly edit your GoPro photos for Instagram using nothing more than a free app called Lightroom. So if you're ready to do that, let's go right to my phone. Alright guys, so we're looking at my phone right here. I'm going to go ahead and open the free Lightroom app, and I prefer using Lightroom for mobile over desktop. I just think it's much easier. I'm going to go ahead and choose this photo. This is actually from a trip to Bora Bora I took a while back at the beginning of the year, but the principles kind of apply across any photo, and I kind of tend to do the same thing for each one. But I chose this photo because it's not as bright as I would have liked it. There was a lot of cloud cover at this time when I took this picture, so I'm going to show you guys how to really brighten it up and make it look really good, because this tends to happen with the GoPros. So first thing I like to do is hit the auto here and kind of see where it starts at. And that looks pretty good. I mean, you could do auto, but I'm going to go ahead and keep tweaking it. First things first, I want to brighten this up a little bit. So I'm going to go to the light here, and I'm going to start upping the exposure. Not too much, but just a good bit. I like that. And when you up the exposure, it's always good to kind of up the contrast just a tad as well. So I'm pretty pumped with how that looks. You can see a significant difference there when I hold the screen on how bright it is. Now we're going to go really clean this up. Next thing I do is I want to go up the clarity and the dehaze. I really like these when I'm shooting with GoPro. They really just make these photos pop. Boom. That really brings it in there nice. You can see the colors really starting to come out. And next up is the detail aspect. Let's go sharpen. And I like to really sharp and crisp photos. Like, this looks really awesome right now, but I'm going to do one more small tweak I like to do to everything. Okay, real quick, just to cut in here. If you haven't seen the epic 22-minute tutorial video I did about how to take GoPro photos for Instagram, go ahead and click the card up here, or I will link it below in the description, as well as download the PDF, which has all of my settings and all the equipment I use to take epic GoPro photos for my Instagram. And while you're at it, follow me on Instagram. Let's get back to the editing process. And let's go to the color, go up here to this little mix thing. And the first thing is I want to go to the blues. I want to make the sky a lot brighter. Bring the luminance down, kind of makes the blues pop. Bring up the saturation a bit. Bring up the hue just a tad. And this looks really cool. The water's kind of greenish blue. So I might hit this blue and maybe see how the water kind of changes. I'm not really feeling that at all. I'm going to go ahead and move that back. Maybe try the green. Kind of maybe see where it goes there. And the water's kind of staying the same color here. Up the saturation a bit of the greens. Boom. Now that to me looks pretty effing good. So next thing you know, we want to crop it for Instagram here. So we're going to go over to crop. We're going to go to this little thing here. 4:5 is for Instagram feed. As you can see, this is the grids. You want to kind of center everything as best you can. This is where rule of thirds comes into play. And you just want everything kind of centered. This is pretty solid. I'm going to go ahead and save this. I love this photo. I'm really pumped at how it turned out. So we're going to go to save the camera roll, maximum available. And we are done. This photo is ready to post to Instagram. One more thing I like to do is crop it again for Instagram stories. So we're going to go to 9:16 in case I want to post this to my story as well. As you can see, this is a little bit longer and narrower. Go ahead and save that. And maximum available. And now I have a dope photo ready to go for Instagram, for the feed, and the story. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. I'm a new channel. I'm trying to grow, trying to create epic content like this every week to help you guys use your GoPro to take your Instagram to the stratosphere with photos and videos and different tutorials and different things you can do, because I believe everybody should make themselves look awesome with a GoPro. So yeah, let me know what you thought about this video in the comments. Give it a like, and I will see you next time. Peace!